Hey, this is Ben from the People's Motorhome Company. I just wanted to give you one last look of Roman before he leaves us later today. We had several people interested in him, a lot of calls, a lot of emails, a lot of texts, a lot of messages, a lot of lookers, and a lot of people who wanted to buy him. One lucky family won out, and they will be taking him home later today. So let me show you around a little bit. Looking up front here, you have the fully redone bunk bed. The loft had some water damage from previous leaking, and Irene tore it completely out down to the studs, replaced wood and all sorts of things. Built this beautiful archway as a decorative element, separating the cab from the coach. You have the dinette area that also folds down into a bed. It has 4 seat belts. A couple of captain's chairs over here that swivel and also have seat belts, as well as a little center table that pulls out for a one-on-one bridge playing tournament or whatever you may need. You have the kitchen area over here with plenty of storage. The custom countertop made by Irene, and the table as well. Coming on back, you have the rebuilt fridge, the shower area. This is something we haven't seen in many of these Class Cs, is awesome storage. You have under bed storage in the bottom half of the bed. You have top half of the bed has storage as well, accessible from the outside of the coach. But this storage, just 3 full-size drawers, a full-size cabinet, plus 2 more full-size drawers over here, and a large closet. It's just astounding, and the over window storage as well. We have not seen that in any of the other Class Cs we've done so far. Coming over here to the bathroom, or powder room, some might say. Nice medicine cabinet, some under counter storage, mirror, and Irene's custom countertop as well. Not to mention Irene's custom hand painted work here on the doorway. Some of that up front as well. Anyway, that is Roman. We just wanted to give you one last look before he goes to his new home.